So here I have the Gizmo Engineering Model TC-1 temperature alarm, and I have it set for a process set point of 86 degrees right now. So what I'm going to do is cause an alarm and show you how it raises an alarm. So this is a kind of a demonstration thermocouple, just so that I can touch it. The thermocouple is exposed. This is the production model here, and you can see it's the same Teflon jacketed probe, but protected inside of this sheath. So anyway, I'm going to warm it up. I have it set right now to an over temperature of 2 degrees. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So I'm just going to warm it up by pinching it, and it's when it gets 88 degrees, we'll get an alarm. So there's a bit of a delay, and now the alarm. The operator can silence it like so, but the flashing beacon won't go away until the process temperature reaches the set point within 2 degrees in this case. So here the temperature's declining, and when it gets back to 88 degrees, it'll be within range, and you'll stop seeing this high indication. And at that point, you'll be able to reset the flashing light. So here it's within the 2 degree window, so now I'm able to reset it and continue to operate normally. Let me show you how to set that window. So here we hold down the set button for 3 seconds, and now we are into the sub menu, and it's very simple. There are only 7 options: heating and cooling mode, which we can disregard, the low alarm, the high alarm, so this is the one we're interested in. If we want to set that, there's the 2 degrees. That's the 2 degree range, basically. We can stray 2 degrees higher than the set point before we get an alarm. And same thing for the low set point. And that's really all you need to concern yourself with. I'll go, actually, I'll step through a couple of the others. 1, 2, 3. So that's heating and cooling mode, but we're not using this as a temperature controller. There's the low alarm set point. It gives you the same range on the low side. We already talked about the high. This is just a time delay, which we don't need. It's already built in. That's the calibration. You can set it, for some offset. And here we have the upper and lower set point, which we may use. This allows you to basically determine the maximum temperature that an operator can set it at. And right now I have it set for 86 degrees. So let me demonstrate. I'll go back to the normal mode. And now if I want to set the temperature, I can set it downwards, but because the maximum is 86, I cannot set it any higher than 86. And you might think, well, an operator can just change that and to get around it. But there's a lockout function right here. There's 2 dip switches there. Hopefully you can make out. If those are, if either one of those is slid to the on position, then the operator cannot change that maximum temperature. So basically, by setting you can lock the operator out so that the set point can never be changed if that's appropriate for the application. In here, and let's see, the other details about this are first of all, it's all waterproof, NEMA 65, and here we have a very loud alarm, our typical alarm, which is 103 decibels, like a smoke detector. 10 feet of cord, of rubber jacketed cord, and in here we store a length of there's some extra cable length stored inside of this box, so you can pull out just what you need. And the temperature probe slides up and down pretty easily like so. And that's a summary of our TC-1 temperature controller.